Once upon a time, in a small, charming village nestled between green hills, there lived a curious young girl named Emily. Emily was known for her boundless curiosity and her love for stories. She spent her days exploring the forests, fields, and streams around her village, always eager to learn something new. But Emily had a dream that was bigger than her small village. She wanted to explore the world, meet new people, and hear stories from distant lands. There was just one problem. Emily only spoke her village's language, which was not widely known beyond the hills. One day, as she was wandering near an ancient oak tree, she stumbled upon an old, dusty book that would change her life forever. The Discovery. The book was titled The Language of the World, and as Emily carefully opened its fragile pages, she discovered that it was written in a language she had never seen before. Intrigued, she took the book home, determined to unlock its secrets. She spent weeks trying to decipher the strange words and symbols. Eventually, Emily realized that the language in the book was English, a language spoken by millions of people all over the world. It was the key to understanding stories, cultures, and ideas from faraway places. But learning English wasn't easy. Emily struggled with unfamiliar words, complex grammar, and strange pronunciations. She often felt frustrated and discouraged, but deep inside she knew that learning English was her ticket to the world beyond her village. The journey begins. One evening, as she was practicing her English by the fireplace, something magical happened. The old book began to glow with a soft golden light. Out of the pages emerged a small, glowing figure, a language spirit named Lexi. Lexi was a guardian of languages and had been watching over Emily as she struggled to learn English. Lexi explained that English was more than just a language. It was a bridge to new opportunities, friendships, and adventures. If you master English, Lexi said, you will be able to communicate with people from all corners of the world, understand their stories, and even share your own. Emily was filled with determination. With Lexi's guidance, she began to learn English more efficiently. She practiced every day, using the book to help her with new words and phrases. Slowly but surely, Emily started to understand English better. The world opens up. As Emily's English improved, so did her confidence. One day, travelers from a distant land arrived in her village. They were explorers who spoke many languages, including English. Emily was thrilled. She greeted them in English, surprising both them and herself. The explorers were delighted to meet someone in the village who spoke their language. They shared stories of their adventures in far-off lands, and Emily listened with rapt attention. For the first time, she could fully understand tales of majestic mountains, bustling cities, and vast oceans. The explorers invited Emily to join them on their journey, and without hesitation, she accepted. She knew that this was the adventure she had been waiting for, and her knowledge of English had made it possible. New adventures. Emily traveled with the explorers, visiting places she had only dreamed of. She saw the towering skyscrapers of New York, the ancient temples of Japan, the vibrant markets of India, and the serene beaches of Australia. Everywhere she went, she met new people, learned about their cultures, and made lifelong friends. In every country, Emily found that speaking English opened doors for her. She was able to communicate with people from different backgrounds, share her own stories, and learn from others. English became her passport to the world, connecting her to people and places she would have never known otherwise. The return home. After many years of adventure, Emily decided to return to her village. She was now a young woman, full of experiences and knowledge. The villagers were amazed at how much she had grown and changed. They gathered around her, eager to hear about her travels. Emily shared her stories, but she also shared something more important, her knowledge of English. She began teaching English to the children of the village, explaining how it could open up a world of opportunities for them just as it had for her. She told them about the books they could read, the people they could meet, and the adventures they could have if they learned English. The children were inspired, and soon, the whole village was buzzing with excitement about learning this new language. Conclusion. Years passed, and the village transformed. Thanks to Emily, English became a common language in the village, connecting them to the rest of the world. The villagers started trading with people from other countries, learning about new technologies, and even traveling to distant lands. Emily's journey had shown everyone the importance of learning English. It was more than just a skill. It was a way to connect with the world, to share ideas, and to build a brighter future. And so, the once small village flourished, becoming a hub of knowledge, culture, and adventure. As for Emily, she continued to explore the world, always eager to learn more and share her experiences with others. She knew that as long as she had the language of the world, there would be no limit to the places she could go and the people she could meet. And that is why you must learn English. It's the key to unlocking the endless possibilities that await you in this vast, wonderful world.